Hi, my name is Karenobrienre. I'm a Stewart St. James brokerage, and I am a broker associate. And I would like to tell you today some little tips about why it might be a good idea to look into buying a condo instead of a house for your first purchase to get into the real estate market. So stick with me, and I will be right back. Okay, so we're going to talk about your starter property. A few years ago, I was trying to save money to buy a property. With a busy lifestyle, I thought, well, maybe a condo is good for me because I don't have the time to mow the lawn, to take care of the property as it was. So I decided to buy a condo. I just happened to get it when the market was kind of low. It was a great price, and between 2010 and 2015, I made $100,000 by holding on to that property until the market got stronger and stronger, and then I sold it, which allowed me to roll up and buy a more expensive condo that had more of the things that I wanted. Don't worry about not getting what you absolutely want the first time. So here are all the benefits. Number one, you buy the condo, you have a set condo fee. You do not have to worry about the roof. You don't worry about painting the outside. You don't have to worry about landscaping. So many you don't have to worry about vacuuming the hallways. Many things come into play when you own property. And by having a condo fee, all of these outside things are taken care of. Even things like lights when you drive up to the property or go into a garage or whatever, parking lot, that kind of thing. That's a plus. Another thing is single people. If you're a single person and you want to get into the market, I recommend highly picking a condo first. You do not have to stay there long. By a couple of years, you know, the market, I'm going to say it's 2022. Over the next 3 to 5 years, I wouldn't worry too much about buying a condo now and selling it at a profit, plus all the equity you gain by living there instead of renting somewhere. As a single person, great way to get your feet wet, see what your neighbors are like. The only issues with condos that I see, the Condo Association. They're known for, you know, you have a couple of people from the whole complex and they're on the board, and some people take their role a little too seriously and some take it not seriously enough. Enforcement, all kinds of stuff. But I would recommend you go to the meetings and learn, because it will help you in your future for buying property. The next thing is, by understanding how the condo works, you'll start to get an overview of what exactly you have to take care of as a homeowner, not as a condo association. The Condo Association has to interview, if you need a new roof, they have to interview roofers. They have to get estimates. They have to decide not just on the amount that they're being charged, but who the people are, or do they have good reputations, etc. So it's a lot of legwork, but you learn, if you're part of that condo association, you learn how to do it and what to watch out for. Same thing with painters, landscapers, what to do if they're not working out. So you learn a lot about taking care of property if you're involved in that condo association. Think future. The other thing is, most condo associations take care of the roof, all the outside of the building, any common areas, including elevators and the entryway, the lobby, the mailboxes, common area for parking garage, keeping things clean. You'll have cleaners hired to do all these things. It's good to find out what the actual list is. If I owned a single family house, what would I have to think about so there's no surprises? The last thing I would mention, if your goal is a single family, but you're going to start with a condo, number one, take your condo fee, make a list of what it includes, multiply it by 12. That little kitty is something you should think about when you buy a single family house. Your kitty should be equal to that, say it's $400 a month times 12, $4,800. You need to have that kitty as a single family homeowner, because even in the first year, you might need landscaping work done. You might need a new roof. You might need gutters. You might have to hire a plumber to unclog something. There's your kitty, and it won't upset you or stress you if you have that separate savings account just for things for your house. As a homeowner, if you're really smart, you'll throw some money in every month so nothing will stress you out. If you have to pay $8,000 for a new furnace, well, that will cover half of it. There are all kinds of things to do with Mass Save that will help you defray the cost of, say, a new furnace, or give you a loan so you can pay it over time. Anyway, it's great to start with a condo. You'll meet people. The friendlier you are, the better it is for you, because you'll learn a lot. You'll pick up things. Hopefully this has been helpful. Think of the big picture, even just 10 years out. Buy a condo, keep it for 3 to 5 years, sell it at a profit, take your equity, put a down payment on the little single family house that you want. You can do it again in a couple of years until, 15 years from now, you could be in the house you really, really want to keep. And then we can talk about investing. If you could possibly keep that condo, rent it to cover all the fees and your mortgage, well, that's how you start to become an investor. Check out some of my other videos. I talk about investments and how to start buying single family, 2 families, etc. But you'll be glad in 30 or 40 years when you're thinking about retirement and you're like, I now could have some nice income. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.